welcome back to my channel. My name is Quoialen if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back. I wanted to bring you guys another look using the Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette collab. So without further ado, you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. What's up, y'all? I'm back, and I'm back to do another look using this palette here. Of course, the Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collab. I'm back. I'm doing another look. It is what it is. What you gonna do? Fight me? No. Okay. But no, for real, I want to come back and do another look because I want to see how many looks I can get out of this palette. I really like the color scheme of this palette. It's perfect for an everyday type of palette, and you can get some, you know, some looks out of this thing. So that is what I'm back here to do. But first off, let's go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm using my Smashbox primer. I'm using my Smashbox concealer. It's pretty much the same color. It's my skin tone, like I've said in my last how many videos since I bought this thing. Okay, bit. So I've been wanting to use Sponsored and Lituation since I bought this. I don't know why I didn't use those in my first video. I don't know, I think I was just so excited. I want to get a video out with the palette, so I'm gonna use them today. So to start off, the first color I'm gonna go to is the first color I'm gonna go into is Ginger, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go into is gonna be okay, so yeah, the next color I'm gonna go into is gonna be Edges. It's this one right here. Okay, so boom, now that my crease is all nice and warm, let's deepen it up a little bit, and that's what now I'm gonna go into Credits. I'm gonna go back into Edges just to bring that color back just a little bit. Okay, so now that I got my crease to how I like it to be, I'm not gonna cut my crease, but I am gonna clean up my lid just a little bit. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna take my concealer from earlier just to clean up my lid. I'm not really gonna cut my crease, but I do want to have a blank canvas to work on, so that's what I'm gonna do. So on a flat synthetic brush, I'm going to take Sponsored. Yeah, I'm going to go with Sponsored, and it's going to be like the center to the outside part of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with actually Soleil, and that's going to be the main inner corner of my eye. Yeah, let's see what I'm talking about. Now I'm just going to take Soleil. I cleaned off my brush, and I'm going to take Soleil and put that on the inner corner. And I went ahead and did my other eye off camera. Now I'm just going to line my lids with some liner. Found it. Y'all, I'm feeling this look. I wish I would have did this look first because I like this one better than my other one. But that's neither here nor there because y'all get both of them, period. Actually, I'm filming this the day my first video is supposed to go live, so going back to my lower lash line, I'm going to take Edges, the shade I used second, I think, in my crease, and sweep that on the bottom. Now I'm gonna take Credit and do the same thing. And you guys already know, for mascara, I'm taking my Lancome Big Monsour mascara. I really need to buy the full size, for real. And while that's drying, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Black is Black gel eyeliner and put that on my lower, well, my waterline. I'm really debating on if I want to put on lashes or not. Like, I'd be ready to take them hoes off when I be at work. While I debate on that, I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lashes. And yeah, I'm still debating on those lashes. So while I still debate on that, I'm gonna take Soleil on this bullet brush and put it in my brow bone. I'm also gonna put it in my inner corner. This looks bomb. See, I don't even feel like I need to wear lashes because like, I feel like when I look dead on it, y'all, I'm like, ooh, ooh, kill him, ooh, ooh, kill him, ooh, kill him, ooh. Okay. Anyway, I guess I am gonna put on lashes for the sake of this makeup look. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and y'all, I didn't want to put on lashes for 2 reasons. One, because I'd be ready to take them off, and 2, because I had 3 of these, right? And I don't know where the other 2 went. And I didn't want to pull off my last pair. I really didn't. But it's okay. Okay, so my lashes are on. They look good. They're not irritating me yet, so that's a good thing. Okay, so for lips, I'm taking my Ofra liquid lipstick in Verona. I finally found it, y'all. Guess where it was? Guess where it was? In my truck. Yep, in my truck. But anyway, this is my favorite liquid lipstick, my favorite nude liquid lipstick anyway. It's from Ofra, like I said, in the shade Verona. I need to buy another one, but I got this in like a BoxyCharm or Ipsy bag. I don't remember, and I really don't want to spend the money on it because I can't get my discount. Boobs is out, oh, ass is out, oh, hit it. Someone had a gloss. Am I feeling gloss? Are you feeling gloss? Let me know. Are you feeling gloss? Yeah. I'm feeling gloss. I think I'm feeling gloss. I'm gonna take my Sepia lip gloss from Anastasia. Only just a little bit. This doesn't even dry down all the way. I'm tripping. I'm really tripping. I changed my mind. I'm gonna take my Essence lip gloss in clear. I'm really not sure. I guess the name is clear. Okay. Boom. Now that's it, sis. Okay, the last thing I need to do is highlight, and I'm gonna take the LeBron's highlighter from Artist Couture that Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collabs on. Oh, by the way, where that brush is? This highlighting brush from Morphe is trash. Like, I hate that highlighting brush so much. I'm not sure. Lipstick on my teeth. Damn. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm not sure which YouTuber or co-worker told me to get that brush, but they lied. They motherfucking lied, because that is the worst highlighting brush ever. I think I'm more biased toward taper things because that one wasn't tapered enough, and then once I washed it, the brush kind of like whatever. I never want to use that brush ever again. I'll find another use for it. But anyway, to highlight, like I said, my LeBron's highlighter. I already have some in the top because I'm trying to make this stretch because it's the only one I got, and they're not doing it again because it was limited edition. So now I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray because I am closing tonight. So I'm gonna need this locked in. Well, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you've made it this far, you know what that means, right? That means you at the outro, sis. So you might as well hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell right next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.